Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with a clothing haul from Once Upon a Child. Two things to keep in mind here. I have a pile of baby stuff behind me. Just ignore that. I hope you can. I hope it's not too distracting. I also have Melody, who I am trying to get to sleep over here in her crib. Doesn't look like she's gonna get to sleep, so she might end up making an appearance in this video at some point. So those are the only two things. Now let's get right into this haul. I actually did take some items to sell while I was there, so I ended up really only spending $4 on everything that I got here. I got a lot. I did get two items that actually weren't clothing, and that was this bib. I have seen these a lot, especially on any mom's channel that has a baby who is starting solids. I noticed them a lot on Aspen and Parker's channel, and I honestly loved this. This is kind of the vibe that I really want to go for. Just a cute rainbow pastel vibe. The other thing that was not a clothing item is this super cute, it looks like this part is rattly, the arms and the legs are rattly, and underneath it looks like that. I thought this could act as like a lovey for her. Alright, now just pulling from the pile, the first thing I grabbed is this Old Navy onesie button up, and it has this one pocket right here and a hood, and it's just super duper cute. It's from Hanes, and it's just this 3 to 6 month cute little purple set. I don't know what it is about purple, but lately it has really been catching my eye. Picked up this Puma onesie that is so adorable, you guys. It's light pink, but it also has like white paint splotches on it, and this is cute for, she can wear it in the house right now, but once she grows into it a little more, it'll be good to wear in spring once it gets a little bit warmer outside. See my 0 to 4 month / mini Once Upon a Child haul, then you didn't hear that I am a big fan of Jessica Simpson clothing items lately. I got a lot of clothing items from Jessica Simpson in my last haul, and I also find it a lot at TJ Maxx, and I just really love them. They're super cute all the time. They're not the traditional cliche or cheesy baby clothes, and I just really like it. So I picked up this zipper sleeper. It's footed and it's just so adorable. It's beige and brown and black, and it just has little flowers all over it. Ribbed leggings, with pink leggings with this super cute like flowery top. It honestly feels very light, and I love how it just looks like a normal outfit. I did pick up a couple of just t-shirts and pants because I don't always want to have her in a super matchy outfit. The first one I picked up is this off-white, more of a cream bodysuit in 3 to 6 month. It's just very simple. On camera it looks very, very white, but I promise you it's really a cream color. Like this one is the white, so you can see this is more of an off-white cream. And I just got it because it'd be easy to pair. I also picked up this one from Old Navy. Old Navy is another place that I have really been loving lately. I have been finding that a lot of their baby items are super cute. And if I go on the Old Navy site, they're very inexpensive, but I really like to try to get clothes from Once Upon a Child because Melody is going to grow out of them so fast anyway. I'm just going to have to keep buying more, so it's better to get them thrifted if possible. And I got this one that says love, and it's so cute. I tried to get things that are for now, but I also tried to keep in mind that once she hits the 5 to 6 month range, it is going to be closer to springtime, if not in springtime. And I just wanted to make sure that she has items that are super cute for spring. And then we had to get just a white one as well, and this is a Joy For You by Carter's, and it's just white. Doesn't even look like it's been worn before. I do think that these are a little bit bigger than her other things that are 3 to 6 months, but that doesn't matter. This pink one, this is a pink 6 months by Just For You by Carter's, just normal pink legging. And I also got this like light pink and polka dot one. This is from the Made With Love by Place. Just light pink with polka dot shirt that says Today Is Magical. And then the pants are these really cute daisies that has bunnies and suns and clouds and everything on it. I thought this would be so cute to wear when April comes, especially for the, you know, springtime. It is 0 to 3 months, which I did not realize, but it looks kind of big, so I think she'll still be able to wear it. Brand new, barely or never worn. It's white with moon and clouds and says love and stars on it. It is footed, but it looks really, really long, so I think she'll be able to wear this for a while. It's not a super thick material, which is why I picked it up, because again, it is typically hotter in our room. And the last thing that I got is a red dress. I got this is in 0 to 3 months because Valentine's Day is a couple weeks away, and I don't think she's going to grow out of being able to wear this by then. And I got this mainly for pictures for Valentine's Day, and it's so cute if we end up doing anything on Valentine's Day. Oh, this is actually 3 to 6 months. That's amazing. On the tag it says 0 to 3 months, but on the dress it says 3 to 6 months. That's actually all that I got by myself. Now we can open these mystery bags. So these are $5 each. A decent stack here. So this is what was in the bag. Again, these are $5, and I'm sure this would be over $5. Okay. I'm not sure I would have bought any of this on my own. This is super cute. Not too, I wouldn't personally have picked it out for Mel, but I think it's actually cute, and I don't think she has any black shirts. So that cute. Okay, these are cute. These are cute. These are Rockaware 0 to 3 months khaki pants. I actually really like these. Alright, this is the stack out of our second one. And they just look like this. They're just a basic pair of blue jeans. These lastly, we have this 3 to 6 month baby gear. I actually kind of like the print on these ones. Do the outro. We're gonna do the outro. That is it. That is all that I got and what was in the mystery bags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something from it. Either inspiration to go shopping for your baby, or just a chance to awe at baby clothes and remember how small your baby is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.